Good morning, students. Today we have to discuss question number 32. Let us see what question number 32 tells us. Let us see. A train covered a certain distance at a uniform speed. Okay. There is a train which covers a certain distance at a constant speed. Uniform means constant speed. If the train had been 5 km faster, it would have taken 3 hours less than the scheduled time. What is the scheduled time? According to the scheduled time, it will take us 3 hours less times if the train had been faster of 5 km per hour. There is a, if you asking about, then you tells us the let speed, that is the original speed. Okay, write original speed of train. Original speed of train equal to x kilometer per hour. If you faster the speed by 5 km per hour, means x plus 5 km per hour, then it takes a time that is 3 hours less than. Okay, then you have to also assume let time taken by the train to complete journey. You can write to complete journey, that is equal to y hour. Okay, you can write a y hour. Okay, this one the train speed, and this one the y hour, that is the time taken by the train. Okay, then this one the time, and this one the speed, and this one the time. So the distance between A and B, or you can call as a certain distance, the distance traveled by the car, so the distance traveled by the train, that is suppose you can write here this one A and this one B point, and this one the distance traveled by the train. Okay, this one distance traveled by the train, and you know that there is a speed, that is V equal to given as x kilometer per hour. This one the speed of the car, speed of the train, and time taken, that is the time t equal to given as y hour. So the distance, that is A and B, the distance traveled by the car is equal to speed into time, that is x into y. It will becomes xy. Okay, xy. Okay, the distance between A and B, or the distance traveled by the train, that is x and y. Okay, again what the question tells us, let us see. It would have taken 3 hours less if the scheduled time. So this one the scheduled time t, that the time taken by the train complete the journey, that is the scheduled time. Okay, again if the train were slower by 4 km per hour, it would have taken 3 hours more than the scheduled time. If the train will be slower by 4 km per hour, then it will take more time. Okay, that is 3 hours more time. Find the length of the journey, that is this one the length of the journey. Okay, according to question, you can write here according to question that if the train had been 5 km faster, means this one the x km per hour, that this one the original time, x plus 5. If you x plus 5, this one the speed, after 5 km faster, you can write here x plus 5, it would have taken 3 hours less time. It would have how much time after fasting? According to question, you can write here that speed, that is you can write here speed equal to x plus 5, then time equal to how much taken by the train, that is 3 hours less than, means y minus 3. So if you asking about the distance traveled by the train, that is equal to according to this data, distance equal to speed into time, that is x plus 5 into y minus 3, and you know that the distance is nothing but A and B. This is the distance is fixed. Distance is fixed because the train is traveling between A and B. So you can write here that a distance, that is xy equal to, you can write here that xy equal to x plus 5 into y minus 3. Xy equal to, if you multiply xy and minus 3x plus 5y minus 15. This one xy minus 3x plus 5y minus 15. This xy will be cancel out, okay, and this will gives us minus 3x plus 5y plus 15. This one the equation number 1. Okay, I think you are able to follow me. This one minus 3x plus 5y, this one go in this another side, then it becomes plus. So this will the equation number 1. Again, again what the question tells us, let us see. And if the train we are slower by 4 km per hour, if the train will be slower, again according to question, if the train will be slower by 4 km per hour, means there is a original speed of the train, that is speed equal to, that is the x minus 4, because of 4 km per hour slower, so the speed will be x minus 4, and so that the time taken by the car, the 3 hour more means time equal to y, then the time will be y plus 3, because 3 hour more, question tells us 3 hour more. So the distance here, distance equal to, according to this data, equal to x minus 4 into y plus 3, and you know that the distance is fixed, so the distance between a and b, that is equal to x and y, xy, so xy equal to x minus 4 and y plus 3, and it will gives us, this implied that xy, this one xy plus 3x minus 4y and minus 4 3 are 12. This will cancel out, and it will gives us a value, that is 3x minus 4y equal to 12, and this is the equation number 2. 3x minus 4y equal to 12. Okay, so if you add the equation number 1 and 2, if you add the equation number 1 and 2, the 3x minus 3x will be cancel out. You can write here equation number 1, that is minus 3x plus 5y minus 3x plus 5y equal to 15, and this one, the 3x minus 4y equal to 12. This will cancel out, and it will gives us a value, that is y equal to 527 and 112, that is y equal to 27, and y is nothing but the time taken by the train, that is the y equal to 27 hours. So if you putting the value of y in 1 or 2, any one, if you putting the value of y in 1, then it will gives us here 15 equal to minus 3x plus 5 into y equal to 27, and it will gives us a value, that is 15 equal to minus 3x plus 5 7 ja 35, 5 7 35, 5 2 ja 10, 10 or 3, 10 3 13, it will gives us a value 135, and minus if you put this minus 3x, it will become 3x, 135 minus 15, and it will gives a value, that is equal to 5 minus 5, that is 0, 3 minus 1 2 and 1, 3 4s are 12, that is equal to x equal to 40 kilometer. This is the distance between A and B. So this one, the distance traveled by the car, distance traveled by the train equal to 40 kilometer. I think you are able to follow me. And distance traveled by the car, so sorry, this one the speed of the train. Okay, this one the speed, sorry, this one the speed of the train, because the x kilometer per hour, this one the speed of train, that is equal to x equal to 40 kilometer per hour. Okay, I think you are speed of the train, that is 40 kilometer per hour, and you know that we have to find out the length of the journey. So if you find out the length of the journey, that is distance, you have to find out. So if you find the distance equal to, that is x into y, that is x equal to 40 and y, that is equal to 27, and if you multiply you will get a 4 7 ja 28, and 4 2 ja 28, carry 2, 4 2 ja 8, 8 or 2, 8 to 10, that is equal to 1080 kilometer. This one the distance. Okay, this one the distance. Okay, I think you are able to follow me. Thank you very much.